On the right is new manufactured and designed by my nephew retention ring with a different design of the tang with relief points at the base, which the factory or the originals do not. As you can see, it's a bit thicker. It's a higher quality steel. There's relief on either side of the tang, and slides on, and I believe it's a 4mm Allen head on either side with washers holds in place. We're going to manufacture 4 of these total, clean them up, and use those for all 4 wheels. So that way I won't have to have this concern in the future. I spoke with Old Toff Racing and one of the mechanics at Hillbank, and they have seen these fractures before. There's a number of owners that have a lot of miles that have contacted me and never had the problem, but this is a kind of an inexpensive part, very concerning failure point that I'm not going to risk at this point. So we've redesigned it, my nephew did, manufactured. We're going to make more to cover all 4 of my wheels moving forward, so I won't have to worry about this in the future.